As people have rightly pointed out in the comments, this job on the wipers isn't really complete until I drill out the remainder of the bolts in the wiper linkage system. So I'll take off my little bracket and need to remove all the linkages, disconnect the wiper motor, we'll get them out, drill those, get new bolts and tidy up the whole system while we're at it. The one at the back here is giving a bit of resistance. We better work it both directions and try and get it out without breaking or shearing the bolt. It's sheared anyway. That was relatively painless. As you can see, there's a bit of corrosion on this one here. It's nice to be getting this out now and giving it a bit of attention before these things seize up and then they get forced to work and then they damage themselves. So cool. It's funny the manky dirt that works its way into things. When I drilled down through the old heads of the bolts where they had sheared off through the bodywork, I was a little bit off centre, so I've got these little bits sticking up of the old bolts. I'm going to grind them off before drilling so I can try and get back on centre and not damage the original threads inside in the holes. Changed my mind on that because this side is off centre. If I actually cut it back on the other side, I have more chance of getting a centred hole. The inside diameter of the hole between the threads is about 4mm. I'll go 3mm first because you know I'm not perfectly on centre, and we'll see what we get out then. Oh cool, that one's popped out clean, and the other one we might be able to knock it out. Perfect. Just tap them out with the whole bolt. This end to do as well. This one here snapped off, just taking it off there, and Yeah, this part's fairly corroded on the surface, but it'll clean up nice, and we'll free this up a bit. It's good. Well, at least now we have bolt holes in all the right places. Just need to free these bits up a bit. The wire wheel these corroded bits and generally clean them up. I'm going to give that a couple of coats of paint to freshen it up, and I'm using zinc 182 primer to protect it from rust. I'll give it a coat of this wheel steel now. That's looking like a new part. It was worth masking that bit anyway. I don't think we can just leave it like that. We'll have to test it. I have the ignition and the wiper switched on inside, so if I connect the battery, this should work. Sweet!